In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Calendars separate. Keeping your calendars separate is a great way to stay organized without letting work blur into personal time or different projects compete for your attention. We'll walk through creating distinct calendars, giving them clear visual identities, showing or hiding what you need, and viewing multiple schedules without mixing where events are created. Start on a computer by going to Calendar. Google.com. In the left panel, look for Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. Choose Create New Calendar. This is where you segment by topic. Give your new calendar a clear, memorable name that reflects its purpose, like work projects, personal, fitness, or family. You can add a brief description if it helps you remember what belongs there. Creating separate calendars for each area makes it simple to switch context and keep commitments tidy. Next, assign colors so you can recognize each calendar at a glance. Hover over the calendar's name on the left under My Calendars. Click the three dots and pick a color. Choose distinct, intuitive colors, maybe blue for work, red for personal, green for health. The goal is to build a quick mental map, so avoid colors that look too similar. You can always change a color later if it's not standing out. To reduce clutter, use the toggle view. In the My Calendars list, uncheck a calendar to hide its events or check it to show them. This is perfect for focus time. Hide everything except the one calendar you are concentrating on. Planning a busy week. Turn on 2 or 3 calendars to see where they overlap and adjust accordingly. Toggling doesn't delete anything, it simply controls what's visible in the moment. For truly separate spheres, use distinct Gmail accounts, one for work, another for personal. Then share your personal calendar with your work account or the other way around. Using viewing permissions, grant only the level you are comfortable with, such as see only free busy if you want privacy, or see all event details if you need full context. This lets you view both schedules in a single place while keeping the creation source intact. So work events stay on the work calendar and personal events remain personal. By creating dedicated calendars, color-coding them, toggling visibility as needed, and using account-based sharing wisely, you'll keep everything organized, legible, and in its proper lane. With this setup, you can plan confidently, avoid double booking, and maintain healthy boundaries. Thanks for watching.